Algebra is the foundation of all science and technology. Algebra is the foundation of economics and engineering. Algebra is a key to understanding logic and everything in the world around us. The goal is to find the number in the red box. The red box is what we call a variable. The red box can appear anywhere in the equation. The question is, what number can we put in the box to make the equation true? All boxes with the same letter on them must have the same number inside. The question is, what number can we simultaneously put into both red boxes to make the equation true? In this case, there is only one correct answer. The same number must go into the two blue boxes. A different number can go into the purple box. In this case, there are many correct answers. Life rarely has only one variable. Here, the two blue boxes are one variable. The purple box is a second variable. There are an infinite number of solutions to this problem. Variables can represent positions in space. Here we have three variables. Each can have a different number. One solution is for y to be 2 and for z to be 4. This represents moving 2 in the y direction and moving 4 in the z direction. Another solution is for y to be 5 and for z to be 1. The graph now shows the new solution and the previous solution. Another solution is for x to be 3, for y to be 2, and for z to be 1. The graph now shows all 3 solutions we have found so far. Suppose we keep adding all the possible solutions to the graph. Eventually, this will be the result. If we include fractions as possible solutions, then the graph will look like this. Every equation has a graph that represents all its possible solutions. If we make a graph of all the possible solutions to this equation, then we'll get the following. Now consider this equation. This is one possible solution. And so is this. Since 0 multiplied by any number is 0, any values for x and z are possible solutions, provided that y is 2. The graph of all the possible solutions looks like this. Now let's look at all 3 equations at the same time. What values for x, y, and z will make all three equations true? Points that are solutions to all three equations must be on all three graphs. There are only 2 points that are on all three graphs. Therefore, there are only 2 solutions. One solution is for x to be 0, for y to be 2, and for z to be 4. Another solution is for x to be 1, for y to be 2, and for z to be 3. These values will make all three equations true at the same time. We call this solving a system of equations. Here's another way to represent this solution.